Pwede na ano babo kabalen, kumusta kay Puya ko Luis si Soning Wern Pampanga. Papunta kami ngeni king meto nga bayong buklat at tindahan. Kasi manintun kong gift para king mother ko. Hanapin, yung pinakamasanting nga gift kareng mother's ngeni is time. Figuratively and literally. So, mantunta mong relo ngeni ating kung ikit po itang Casio watch Pampanga ana. So, punta lang tayo po ngeni ito. Abayan nyo kami po. Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Hi sir, welcome to MRT and Fashion Boutique. Nano po yung pag-ingat ko na kayo sir?
Wow. So actually, manintun kong gift para kang ma'am ko keng nganing Mother's Day. And buli kaya sa ng regal one retang Casio watches. So ikit ko keng Vantage shoe. Nako palang karakal options.
Ay yes sir, ating kong offer kaya kayo rin one of the best seller ni. Nung buri na naman is square, aran ding best seller me for square. Ating yung aduang color yan is white and then black. And then nung naman imburi na kung circle, datang small faces, aran naman ding recommend ko kaya sir. If mother millennial ya sir, atin mo naman ding vintage watches.
So Denny actually, hanggang lupa ng vintage, akaki ko susulod dala ring millennial din.
Yes sir, oo. Pati lola, mother, susulod la din na ngayon sir.
Wow.
Kung kareng mom talaga is iniing one of the best seller ni.
Okay. And ikit ko kaya mamating kayo pa pong jewelry organizers mo yan?
Yes sir, lalos na nung i-mother Maracalia watch and then kareng jewelry, nung gulo-gulo la rin kayo na.
Dapat ma-organize daw
nung kailangan na pong organizer, at ito pong recommend kaya kayo sir.
Sige, lawin tala.
Sir, nung Maracal naman watch i-mother, recommend kayo ni. So, kasya ing up to 12 watches ken and then open ne. Retang jewelry, yes.
Wow.
Pati
Tapos leather
and then glass, yes sir.
Leather and glass, okay.
And then nung naman, di pa kaya mo watch i-mother, atin niya naman yun sir.
Wow.
Nung naman fashionista i-mother sir, recommend kaya.
Wow! Something na So actually, mother kasi medyo yippy niya. Feeling ko mas aburi na ini. So, ating kayo muna palang bags na ma'am.
Yes sir. Earring bags ni is premium quality class A. Kung kayo pang wife naman sir, ara ni din uso ni retang belt bag.
Belt bag yan kanyan ma'am. Pakit tayo po.
Okay, ating yung strap. So, adwala ring strap, no? Pwede yung sling bag, and then pwede yung belt bag.
Uso lang yan rin.
Yes, sir. Ating yung colored maroon, and then belt bag la naman din.
Wow. Haluan na lang ka lang
Yes. Wala mo pidukan na yung kay sir, baril.
Wow. Yes. Holster la ba reta? So since ining recommend mo, lupang alaya pang makanili.
Yes, sir.
So hindi namin i-gift ko kayo.
Yes po.
So rin nga pili ko kang wife ko, ang po kang mom. So palagay yung aburi dala rin Uy kayo palagay yung aburi dala rin wife ang pong mother yo. So tara salwantahan na lang. Kuta ko bala lo nyo Renny. Pagkakabalo ko uso la Renny at aus na ka Renny balibag. Since summer pa naman, and think kami pa naman summer getaways, siguro add ko na yun itong misis para mas masayaya. Tara bayaran tayo O rin rin anak kong items mo. Mamigit ko kayong store mo, anak ka pang karakala items Kenny.
Yes sir, actually ining store ko is concept store. So one-stop shopping ining store ini. So ating beauty products, ating foods, ating cellphone accessories. So karatang mo kayo ni as in one-stop shop, sali mo naman yung buri mo.
Ating panlalaki actually git ko nandin ating car shirt.
Yes. Actually rin sir, shirt rin sir, customized shirt la.
Okay.
Vinyl printing na rin.
Vinyl print na, okay. Hanggang pang summer look pa. Diba din ni ma'am, nano lang po din.
Yes sir. Ready naman sir, ating kung blouse kareng mag office. And then ating ko din for plus size. Kareng lola, kareng mother.
There you go. Wow, di pa sabak wata kayo. So ma'am, add na rin.
Yes sir.
Okay. So open kayo pa po ba for other brand partners to partner with you?
Yes sir. For now, atin ko pa pong available modules. 10 la pa po rin available po. So So, kaya ni sir, mandun po pang beauty products, foods that ang no need to ref, and then, bags din. Pero, can you shop ko sir, one brand per kay ko mo.
Correct,
sir,
correct.
Can you shop. Remo juices ko sir, start laking 500 monthly up to 2,000.
Wow,
Yes.
500 pesos per month. Something na eh. Sige po, bayaran ko na rin.
Yes sir. Sir, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes po.
O ito guys, so ikuha ko na lang rin gift ko para kang wife, mother po kang lola. So if you're still looking for your gift, the best gift for your moms, try po ining MRT and Fashion Boutique. So located na mo po kayo.
Yes, we are located at Rufina Building, Sindalan City of San Fernando, Pampanga, in front of BDO Sindalan.
Yes, and we are open from nanong oras?
We are open from Monday to Saturday,
Okay.
10 a.m. to 7 p.m.
So this coming Sunday, open na
Yes,
po since
sir.
Mother's Day.
Yes. Mother's Day special promo. Sale po kami 5 to 20%
5 to 20%.
from May 7 to 12,
Yes.
2019 po, sir.
There you go. Dahil salamat po.
Thank you.
Okay guys, so again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Mas masanting siguro tag yun ni daddy or kaya ni mommy para check out yun na lang items kayo. Until our next discovery, have a great day. Bye!